environmentally friendly machine has an operating weight of 17.35 to 19.22 tons and is 35 feet long. It also has 6 robust wheels, which are all together powered by 221 horsepower engine. Its 13-foot-long blade also has a pulling force of 2,500 pounds. One of its features that catches the attention of many is its fingertip-controlled EPC work equipment, which is capable of reducing hand movement by 92%. Even when it weighs around 169,000 pounds and has a length of 50 feet, the XCMGR5505 is a motor grader that can go up to the speed of 28 miles per hour. Its 599 horsepower engine makes it possible for the 7.3 feet wide and 20 inches long blade to function and do its tasks perfectly. This machine has been very famous for its high-strength structural parts and strong power, making it the most advanced grader from China. This grader is definitely perfect for open-pit mine, heavy-load bulldozing, and original landform finishing, as well as other high-load conditions. Is an all-new braking system. This system is made up of 4 independent multiple wet disc brake units featuring crossover actuation and accumulator backup for highly reliable and safe operation. This 17,300 kilogram grader is known as the SMG 200C8 from Sany Group. This is powered by a 253 horsepower Cummins QSC 8.3 engine that has variable power function, so automatically matching different curves according to the real load is achieved. The direct drive transmission feature of this grader also requires it to have 8 forward and 6 reverse gears for a more efficient and responsive power performance, able to withstand a variety of heavy load condition. Thanks to its refined joysticks, these tasks are done easier, and it comes with a bonus of excellent visibility on the molding board, as well as an intuitive user design. Your grader might be the one for you. This grader guarantees a good balance and combination of good traction as well as excellent blade downforce. A 164 kilowatt Dalian Dutz engine powers this unit, but together with the ZF power shift transmission, it makes this grader easy and very reliable. It also helps that the engine has 3 distinct power curve settings that can provide both the smoothest grade on any surface as well as reduced fuel consumption. Going into the more specific parts, the SDLG G9220 has an operating weight of 16,500 kilograms with a blade downforce of 8,175 kilograms. The dimensions of its moldboard is 4,267 millimeters by 9,235 millimeters by 3,240 meters. Sometimes operations need to continue even when experiencing challenging weather conditions. If you want a grade that does not only withstand these challenges, but also provides high-quality performance, you might want to start looking at the Dormachina DM14. Blading, road leveling based on the surface of the bank area, slope scraping, and moving the soil or gravel can all be done using this machine alone. This is all thanks to its amazing power and 14 feet long front blade that goes up to 30 inches deep. It has a fuel tank with 71 gallons capacity, enough to power this 36,300 pounds and 30 feet long machine while being able to maintain a 16 miles per hour speed. John Deere has always impressed us with all of its other creations, but did you know that they also have an incredible motor grader? This is the John Deere 872G GP, a smart motor grader that weighs around 21,600 kilograms and provides a blade pull of 22,453 kilograms. Apart from those things, this grader also has a cabin and structures that were mounted by Smart Grade Help, so it is protected from damage, especially the essential parts like wires and sensors. It also has 8 fingertip controls along with its handle attached on the armrest. Impressive increase in productivity level is also promised thanks to its double-track hydrostatic drive. This is just on top of the 8-foot-long blade and a 495,000-pound pulling power this machine has. All of these features are powered by a 300-horsepower engine. Indeed, a very strong motor grader. The Komatsu GD675-1 isn't only best at giving world-class performance, but also a best example of a motor grader that puts the Earth's conditions as a priority. This InvaShift direct drive transmission. This adds to the flexibility of both manual and automatic shifting of this machine, which results to an easier matching of the job conditions at hand. It also has an A-frame and high-strength circle that gives extra power, stability, and turning performance to the mold board, plus rear ripper that accommodates up to 5 teeth and front scarifier accommodates 11 teeth. Second, fuel efficiency is also offered since this machine can move more tire even with lesser horsepower. Third is the comfort and visibility it can give thanks to its floor-to-ceiling cab glass and ergonomic low-effort control levers positioned within easy reach. Fourth is its serviceability, which makes getting access to the engine and perform easier through its friendly flip-up hood. On top of that, reaching the fill port or grease zerks is simple with ground-level access, including our exclusive fuel fill with lockable cap. Coming in next is the SEM 919 from SEM Machinery. This grade was designed with leveraging Caterpillar design and also promises to provide improved bearing layout and optimized load distribution with 4 planetary gears final drive. Performance and longevity are 2 of its priorities, which is why this unit has a lesser downtime that leads to minimized cost for maintenance and repair. Its blade float and the machine itself also has extra protection during snow removal and snow plowing. This machine works with a standard blade float function that allows blade to lower without hydraulic pressure for increased versatility. To do this, blade float is engaged by pushing the left and right lift cylinder. Then, the machine